Can you believe that the secret to wealth might be right in your kitchen cupboard? It sounds almost too good to be true, but ancient Buddhist wisdom holds a simple yet powerful secret that could change your financial life forever. It involves nothing more than sugar and ginger. If you've been trying everything from financial workshops to new investment strategies without seeing the results you want, perhaps it's time to try something surprisingly straightforward. Sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones, often overlooked or underestimated. Buddhism teaches us about the powerful influence of natural elements and their ability to align with our personal energies to bring about blessings and, well. Today, I'm excited to share with you a very simple ritual that taps into the energies of sugar and ginger to open the doors of wealth and prosperity. This method is so simple that anyone can do it, requiring only faith and the right intentions. Imagine starting a simple ritual today, and within just a few days, beginning to see real changes in your financial situation. Debts start to disappear, unexpected sources of money begin to surface, and your overall financial flow improves more smoothly than ever before. This might sound like a dream, but many people have experienced these benefits quickly after starting this ritual based on ancient practices. Sugar in this ritual is not just a sweetener, it's a symbol of attracting positive energy and sweetening your life circumstances. Ginger, known for its strong, spicy nature, acts as a catalyst for change and energy activation. When combined in water, these two ingredients become more than just parts of your culinary arsenal. They turn into tools for financial transformation and spiritual upliftment. If you're truly serious about transforming your financial future, then you cannot afford to miss a single second of what I'm about to reveal. This ancient Buddhist secret isn't just a quick fix. It's the key that could finally unlock the wealth and abundance you've been desperately searching for. But here's the deal. You need to stay with me, focus, and follow every step to the letter. One missed detail, and you could miss out on life-changing results. I'm talking about a complete shift in how money flows into your life. No more struggling, no more waiting for luck to turn your way, but only if you're ready to commit. Are you ready? Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because the insights I'm about to share could very well be the turning point you've been waiting for. This is your chance to take control of your destiny. Don't let it slip away. To start, you simply need to prepare a small ceremony in your home. Find a quiet spot where you can focus without interruptions. Take a glass of clean water. Water represents flow and flexibility in life. Add a spoonful of sugar to sweeten your life with new opportunities, and a few slices of fresh ginger to activate the energy needed to seize those opportunities. Stir the mixture slowly, thinking about your financial goals and what prosperity means to you. As you stir, visualize your life filled with abundance. Imagine your debts being paid off, your savings growing, and new financial opportunities coming your way. This visualization is key. In many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism, visualizing your desires is believed to connect you more deeply with the energy of the universe, setting the stage for those desires to manifest into reality. The act of mixing sugar and ginger in water is a physical expression of this visualization, a ritual that plants the seeds of your intentions into the universe. Once your mixture is ready, let it sit overnight to absorb the moon's energies, enhancing its potency. The next morning, drink this water on an empty stomach. As you drink, imagine swallowing prosperity and all the good things you want to attract into your life. It's a simple act, but one loaded with symbolism and intent. This ritual is not just about the physical act. It's about setting intentions, believing in the energy you're channeling, and opening yourself up to receive the universe's blessings. With faith and a clear vision, you're inviting unimaginable prosperity into your life. This ancient wisdom is not just about attracting wealth. It's about aligning your spirit with the abundance of the universe, making what seems impossible entirely possible. Let's dive deep into the ingredients of this powerful ritual. Sugar and ginger. At first glance, they might seem like ordinary kitchen items, but when we examine their spiritual and symbolic meanings, they reveal a much deeper significance. These two common ingredients have been used for centuries across different cultures, not just for cooking, but also for their ability to influence the energy around us. By using them in a mindful and intentional way, you can harness their hidden powers to attract wealth, abundance, and prosperity into your life. Sugar is one of the most universal ingredients you'll find in any home, and it plays a big role in this ritual. But sugar is more than just a sweetener for your tea or coffee. It holds a strong spiritual meaning too. In this ritual, sugar is symbolic of sweetness, both in life and in energy. When we think about sugar, we often associate it with good feelings, something pleasant and enjoyable. This same principle applies in spiritual practices. In many cultures and spiritual traditions, sugar is believed to attract good energy. When you add sugar to the ritual, you are inviting sweet, positive vibrations into your life. Think of it as creating an atmosphere where good things naturally come your way. It's almost like a magnet for opportunities, drawing in everything that can benefit you, whether it's a new job, unexpected financial gains, or positive relationships. Sugar helps to create harmony in your surroundings, making it easier for good things to flow toward you. When you use sugar in this ritual, it helps to smooth out the rough edges in your life. Just like sugar sweetens food, it can sweeten your situation by making things feel easier, lighter, and more enjoyable. Picture yourself in a situation where things seem difficult. Maybe you're struggling with money, feeling stuck, or facing obstacles in your path. When you introduce the energy of sugar, those struggles can start to dissolve. The energy it brings helps to lighten the load, making it easier for you to move forward. Sugar, in this sense, can be seen as a tool that brings balance and harmony. It creates an energy flow that is more aligned with positivity, making it much easier for good things to come your way. When your life is filled with sweet, harmonious energy, it becomes much simpler to attract what you desire. Whether it's financial abundance, new opportunities, or simply a sense of peace, sugar helps to smooth your path, removing any blockages that might be in the way. But the power of sugar doesn't stop there. In addition to attracting positive energy, sugar also has the ability to amplify your intentions. When you add sugar to this ritual, you're not just attracting good things, you're also making your desires stronger and clearer. The sweetness of sugar amplifies your intentions, helping to project them out into the universe with greater force. This makes it more likely that your financial goals and dreams will come true, as the energy you're putting out is more powerful and focused. Now let's talk about the second key ingredient in this ritual: ginger. Ginger is known for its warm, spicy flavor, and in spiritual terms, it carries a lot of powerful energy. In fact, ginger has been used in many cultures for centuries, not only as a culinary ingredient, but also as a healing tool and a stimulant for energy. Its strong, fiery nature makes it a potent symbol of power and activation in spiritual practices. Ginger represents energy, movement, and progress. When you use ginger in this ritual, you're activating a powerful force that helps push you toward your goals. Think of ginger as an energetic booster. It wakes up your internal energy, helping you to stay alert and focused on what you want to achieve. In the context of this ritual, Ginger stimulates your personal energy fields, enhancing your ability to attract wealth and abundance. It gives you the drive and determination to go after your financial dreams, helping you stay motivated and moving forward. But ginger isn't just about raw energy. It also helps to cleanse and purify. In many spiritual traditions, ginger is used to clear away negative energy and blockages that might be holding you back. When you add ginger to the water, it helps to purify your energy, removing any obstacles that might be standing in the way of your financial success. This cleansing effect allows the positive energy of sugar to flow more freely, making it easier for you to attract the abundance you desire. In addition to its purifying qualities, ginger is also known for its ability to stimulate creativity and action. Sometimes, when we're trying to achieve our goals, we can feel stuck or unsure of what steps to take next. Ginger helps to get things moving by stimulating new ideas and encouraging action. It's like a burst of energy that helps you break through any inertia or indecision, pushing you to take the steps you need to reach your goals. When you combine ginger with sugar, you create a powerful balance of energies. While sugar brings sweetness and harmony, ginger brings action and power. Together they form a dynamic duo that not only attracts wealth but also gives you the energy and motivation to pursue it. The combination of these two ingredients amplifies the ritual's effectiveness, making it an even more powerful tool for manifesting abundance. Now that we've explored the significance of sugar and ginger, let's talk about the role of water in this ritual. Water is one of the most powerful symbols in many spiritual traditions, and it plays a key role in this ritual as well. In spiritual practices, water is often associated with emotions, energy flow, and purification. It represents the element of flexibility, movement, and life itself. Water is the perfect medium for this ritual because it helps to carry and amplify the energy of the sugar and ginger. When you mix sugar and ginger in water, the water acts as a conductor, allowing the energy of these ingredients to flow freely and connect with your intentions. The water helps to channel the sweetness of sugar and the power of ginger, directing their energies toward your financial goals. But water doesn't just carry the energy of the ingredients. It also adds its own powerful energy to the ritual. Water is incredibly flexible and adaptable, able to take the shape of whatever container it's placed in. This flexibility is symbolic of how we should approach life's challenges. By being flexible and open to change, we allow ourselves to flow with the natural energy of the universe, making it easier to attract what we desire. In addition to flexibility, water also represents purification. Just as water cleanses and refreshes, it can help to cleanse your energy field, washing away any negativity or blockages that might be preventing you from achieving your financial goals. When you add sugar and ginger to the water, you're creating a powerful blend that not only attracts wealth but also clears the way for it to flow into your life. Water also has a calming effect, helping to balance the energies in your body and mind. When you drink the water at the end of the ritual, you're not just taking in the energy of the sugar and ginger, you're also absorbing the calming, soothing energy of the water. This helps to create a sense of peace and harmony, making it easier for you to stay focused on your financial goals without feeling stressed or overwhelmed. One of the most important aspects of this ritual is the power of intention. While the ingredients, sugar, ginger, and water, carry their own spiritual significance, the real magic happens when you combine these ingredients with your focused intention. Intention is the energy behind your thoughts and desires, and it plays a crucial role in manifesting what you want. When you perform this ritual, it's essential to set a clear and focused intention. This means taking the time to think deeply about what you want to achieve, whether it's paying off debt, increasing your income, or attracting new financial opportunities, your intention should be specific and clear. The more specific you are about your goals, the more powerful your intention will be. As you stir the sugar and ginger into the water, focus on your intention. Visualize your financial goals as if they have already been achieved. For example, if you're hoping to pay off debt, imagine yourself completely debt-free, feeling the relief and freedom that comes with it. If you want to increase your income, picture yourself receiving money effortlessly and easily. This visualization helps to align your energy with the energy of the universe, making it easier for your desires to manifest. When you set a strong intention, you're sending a clear message to the universe about what you want. The universe responds to this message by aligning the energy around you to support your goals. This is why intention is such a powerful tool in spiritual practices. By focusing your energy on what you want, you're creating a pathway for your desires to come into reality. Belief is another essential component of this ritual. While setting a clear intention is important, it's equally important to believe that you are worthy of abundance and that the ritual will work. If you have doubts or uncertainty, it can weaken the energy of the ritual, making it less effective. Belief is what allows the energy of the ritual to flow freely. When you truly believe that you deserve wealth and prosperity, you open yourself up to receiving it. Your belief acts as a bridge between your intention and the energy of the universe, allowing your desires to manifest more easily. It's important to approach this ritual with confidence and faith. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that the ritual will help to align your energy with the flow of abundance. By believing in the power of the ritual, you create a positive mindset that makes it easier for good things to come into your life. When you perform this ritual, you're doing more than just mixing ingredients in water. You're actively working with the energy of the universe to manifest your financial goals. The combination of sugar, ginger, water, intention, and belief creates a powerful energy field that helps to attract wealth and abundance into your life. As you drink the water at the end of the ritual, you are symbolically taking in all the positive energy that you've created. You're absorbing the sweetness of sugar, the power of ginger, and the flexibility of water, along with your focused intention. This act of drinking the water is a way of fully integrating your desires into your being, making it easier for them to manifest in the physical world. The key to manifesting abundance through this ritual is to stay focused, positive, and patient. Trust that the energy you've set in motion will bring you the wealth and prosperity you desire. Keep a positive mindset and continue to take action toward your financial goals. The ritual is a powerful tool for attracting abundance, but it's also important to stay proactive and open to opportunities that come your way. In conclusion, this ritual is a simple yet powerful way to attract wealth and abundance into your life. By combining sugar, ginger, and water with focused intention and belief, you create a potent energy field that aligns you with the flow of abundance in the universe. The sweetness of sugar, the power of ginger, and the flexibility of water work together to help you manifest your financial desires. Remember, the most important part of this ritual is your intention. Take the time to think deeply about what you want and focus on your goals with clarity and purpose. Believe that you are worthy of abundance and trust that the universe is working in your favor. With patience, faith, and a positive mindset, you can use this ritual to bring wealth and prosperity into your life. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and invite prosperity into your life, try this ritual today. Trust the process, believe in your intentions, and watch as the universe responds to your desires.